Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Sneaker Aesthetic. And in today's video, I got a special one for y'all. I got a pair of Jordan 89s Flies white on white. Alright, guys, now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so on the outside of the box, it's just a regular Jordan box. Nothing special. Here's the tag. Now, let's go ahead and open it up. And there they are. Let me go ahead and get one out for you. Here's the outside. Here's the inside of the shoe. Here's the bottom of the shoe. Here's the front of the shoe. Here's the back of the shoe. See, this colorway kind of looks like the Pure Money colorway on the Jordan 3s. Pretty cool. I like them. Jordan tongue. Laces, not really that nice. Whatever though. I mean, this is what you're getting for 80 bucks, so that's pretty good. But yeah. Didn't come with anything else because I just got these from Marshalls. Nowhere else special. It's the inside. Get the other shoe out. Nothing too special. Same thing. Now, let's go ahead and let's get into the review. I got these shoes at Marshalls for around $80. All around this shoe, though, is a really cool shoe. I like this shoe a lot. It feels expensive. It looks expensive. I did see a lot of reviews on this shoes that were just very bad. Just said they were horrible shoes. I don't think they are. On the front here, you got the toe box with a little extra padding around it. On the laces are pretty nice, not too expensive. And there's the tongue with the Jordan logo on it. It does have the side pieces from the Jordan 5, which is really cool. Also, the layering on this shoe is crazy. There's a lot of layering, a lot of different materials, which is pretty cool. Obviously, here's the back of the shoe. It has the Jumpman logo on it and also a pretty cool pull tab. Easy to slip this on the go. Obviously not, though. They're triple white, so you're probably not going to wear them on the go. It does have the Lunarlon technology in it, which I like a lot because this is a very comfortable technology. I've always loved this technology. It's very comfortable. Here's the insole, and there's a little Jumpman logo on the insole. And there is the tag if you wanted to see the tag for any reason. Also, the splatter paint on the midsole, very, very cool. I love the splatter paint on the midsole. The material on the outside, it really snugs your foot. Like, I don't know, it could be looser. The bottom, pretty cool. You can see the Lunarlon technology little areas. And the little hint of orange on the Jumpman, that's pretty cool. Not like you're going to ever see it, but it's cool to know that it's there. All around, though, this is a very cool shoe. I just love this shoe. And I think it should be treated better. Here's an inside view if you wanted to see the insole better. Not really anything special. But yeah, now to the on foot. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead, click on my channel. And if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. It won't hurt. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Sneaker Aesthetic.